Where is she going?
How?
Oh, no, di.
It's dungeon.
Why? What? How can I sprint?
We can't do that, I
But you have a
guess.
speed.
We can't do that.
Sprint.
Lakoy dala ni B.
Ikaw the guardian angel.
Labi, magabi na B.
Gonna pick it up. Lagi. Tata. Lagoy!
Miss girl, wait
Ikaw!
lang.
Di rin ko sprint.
I know. Ngit-ngit kayo, I can't see a damn thing.
The thing is, since it's night, it won't be the regular zombies, but if it's a blood moon or like moon, there'll be vampires and werewolves.
Oh, I
Holy.
see.
Okay, I'm ready. Bert,
Tata.
It's 11 p.m. What if naay mo gawa si Linderina?
Girl, it's so dark.
Nagpakutsi. Hello, you hear that?
Oh shit.
That's when
My god, girl, kanuna ka,
Gusto mo
girl.
na ba ito,
Ay,
ha?
it's so gas! Ayog, ambak.
Girl, wala ka ba?
Damn, I can't see a damn thing.
We have no fuel. We're gonna die.
We finna die.
No, oh no.
What the hell? Okay, thanks. I'm going inside. Oh my god!
What the hell? What's wrong with you? Kill this bitch.
This girl, I'm trying. Pwede na mo i-collect ang corpse.
Oh, there's a torch.
loot that house, I will loot the other one on the other side.
Dagan nga kuan. Oh, hold on. Okay, kuan ni B.
Girl, ako'y dala sa torch din.
Sige. Para mahayagan to ta.
No, I can't drag it. But I can store it.
What if i-store na nimo tas ikuan na dayon?
Yeah.
I-add store sa...
In my sack.
Yeah, in your bulk
Agay.
sack.
Oh! Bitch.
Pero I'm being FR, wajud ko'y makitaan.
Oh my god.
Holy.
I feel like I'm gonna die.
You all good?
Let me in!
Oh my god, finally.
Look at me, I'm dying. Look at me, I'm dying.
Miss Girl, nagkuha na nimong mga stuff?
In my...
Sa imong ball sack?
Yes.
Magkuha ko.
See, not the torch.
At least mahayagan ta.
Nakisak.
Obviously.
Where's stuff?
In here.
You should I?
In the here.
Okay.
In the
Can you drag the bodies? Tapos ikuha na to, ikuha sa kalayo.
Sige. Look at me!
Girl!
Funny as hell.
You can store them in your sack.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Can we eat them if we don't have food?
Girl, ako'y tubig din
There's
ka
enough
ka.
food.
Midnight snack. Imong gi-store ang mga body?
Oh,
Holy.
nakasak?
Yeah, do. I-unstore na sa tas ikuha sa kalayo.
How can I increase my HP? I'm almost dying.
Muhil raman ka ginahinay,
The following
I guess. La. Thanks, girl. Go, diva. Hold on.
Let's go.
I'm not ready. Hold on.
Why do we have a metal sheet?
it's to block ammos from bandit.
Oh. Bro,
Pang shield na. Okay, I'm ready. Beep beep. Mamangga tagkuan kay Pride Month na ugma.
I think I'm gonna die next round because look at me, I'm dying.
Holy shit. Wala na balay.
I'm grabbing my sack balls.
Girl,
Oh, bakit really
unang
ba?
mabiraman ko sa ulahi.
Naimubira ni mo.
My wings are dragging me. Dili ko sa ulahi. Bye girl, kung ikaw malupad, dili ang sala.
Okay.
Bike, ay Bike, kung mamatay, bitaw ka, pwede biya ka isugnod sa kalayo.
Sumbagon ti karon.
Lagi.
Oh, there's a house. Should we go there?
Yes.
Tata, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Di ma shield, tipo. So, oy, di mo tapos pulit ani. Oy, di mo nilod ako ganahan eh.
Go Diva.
Kaya bari. Ako'y tigkuan. Ako'y tigdorog mga kuan, mga bari.
Holy. No, may sulod.
I'll be the one who's gonna clean the corpses, yo.
Mga useless, mga diri. We're going out.
We have the bodies though.
Ay, mong store?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Useless na balayaw, ay sulod.
Yer. Oh my god. Wait. I'm in the wrong way.
Oh, I can't use this.
Okay. Don't do that. It's not fuel. It's only valuable. You can sell it though.
Kanina lang, hold on. We're burning bodies.
You can sell the junk and valuable.
I see. How do we sell it?
If we reach the military base, the second base.
The license 1899. What if there's a genie in the teapot?
Halabi na ito. Hala, dagan
Oh
kayong
my god,
zombie ba yun?
you win it.
Holy. Dagan
No, we're
kayong
not going there. We're gonna die. We're gonna...
It's shooting us! Oh my god! Can zombies do that?
I wanted to lose them. I have guns. Nothing, that's the next base.
Oh, where are we? Panibalik ta sa base?
Oh,
my God.
Oh my god!
Girl, get out there.
God.
Oh my god! We're gonna die.
Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do this.
Why are they shooting?
Oh, there's a pony.
Wala, right the boot. I'm dragging the horse, y'all. I'm keeping the horse.
I saw the outlaws on the start.
You see that?
Yeah.
You
Look
can
at
sell the
this.
outlaws for money.
We can ride the horse.
Where can we sell?
Wait,
Can we store the horse?
follow me stop.
Bro,
Money. There's money in there.
What's the sound?
we're finna die. We're gonna die.
Get these people that I'm dragging and you can put them in the sheriff to get money.
Oh. Okay. Even dead horses?
That horses, I think. I don't know. You can try and put it on one dead horse.
Hello, what's that?
Oh, and also your valuables. You can trade it on the trading post. The valuables, junks, like vases and paintings. You can trade it on the trading post for money.
Girl, what am I supposed to do with this cloud thingy?
That costs a lot. That's a werewolf. Sell it here.
Holy.
What is it?
Oh my god,
Behind you. Sell it.
oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Come sell that there. Sell it at the trading post. Follow me here. Follow me here.
Get off!
You can't sell the werewolves here. Follow me.
What the hell is that?
Don't sell it there, don't sell it there, don't sell it there. Wait.
Girl, don't sell it there.
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
I'm gonna drag this thing.
Follow me over here.
Holy. Saan man na
Face
to?
the werewolf.
Ay, diha, matrade di ay.
Ang kato mga dog ko. Ang gagmay ito.
Okay, na ako'y $40. Ako'y pinaka-pobre.
I have
diri.
$110.
Pwede na ako matrade ang kabayo.
I think the dead one.
Ambot. Wait, wrong one. Ching.
Get
What the
them.
hell is this thing?
Where's your cloud be?
Like a
Who wants a
gooey
shotgun?
one.
Who wants a shotgun? I can buy you guys one. Only one.
The what?
Shotgun.
Shotgun.
Ikaw
Oh, I wanna
mayari.
buy one.
We're on the
Gimme,
gunsmith. The gunsmith over here.
gimme, gimme.
Collect it.
Which one's the best one? I'm gonna buy. Also an ammo. Okay.
I also have one.
Can I buy an ammo na extra ammo?
If you have money. Tag them, put it on the... Yeah. And then click this... Yeah.
Okay, I'm done. Ellie, do you need some guns?
I'm good with this thing. Look what I found. Look what did I get.
What is
Angel.
Worst
You'll
itra.
become a bard.
Worst itra ang $20. Wala na yung ma-afford na ko day, okay?
You guys want to sell the base and the bot? It
Let's
costs
go!
Let's go.
$10.
What do you need a horse for?
I don't know. I just thought it's pretty, okay, white. So why not? Kuan.
What if
Wow.
black?
Ito na balay? Oh yeah, balay.
Yeah, we have to
Wow.
go there.
Holy. I-store ni mga
Yes.
medicine kay, you know,
Yes,
newspaper.
give me these bodies.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, full na.
Ako idala ni isa.
Char.
Let's go. Ay, napaisa. Hold on.
Ili me, may minabi.
Oh shit.
Girl?
Makaya pa? Okay.
Yes.
Let's go.
I'm gonna load my gun.
Ibutang ang body kaya ako isugnod.
We have so much teapot.
Pwede man ka na ito na i-trade, di ba? Uy, gusto po ko magpalit og shotgun.
Pagpalit.
Magtigom ko
Pa-trade
money.
ka. I-trade ganyan ito.
Okay, okay.
150 ako money.
Let's go.
Okay, I think that's all. Girl.
Isa ra siya ka note. Which, oh my god. Girl! Yo! Don't leave me! Oh my god.
Way pulos imong wings.
Miss Girl, ako murag ang bako may nagbiran akong balik. I don't
Your wings did nothing, girl.
I do not suggest maambak while nagdagan ang train Jude. Okay, na-trauma na ako, dili na ko sulod. Familiar ang note, pero katong binggang guli wata.
Katubang tililililililililililil, katong Indian music.
Girl, murag mabira na po kong balik, dili ra ko.
Because you have a thin ass. You don't have a fat ass.
Sige, pag gawas-gawas gidi ha, kay basta ikaw na
There's
may
still no
mabili.
zombie. Nope.
Alam
Ano
gabi.
ba?
Oh no. Oh no, it's Red Moon, guys.
Holy.
Do you guys want to raid this village?
Linggang guli guli, linggang guli guli, linggang go, linggang go.
Hello girl, pula.
Control
Here we
the
go.
train.
Is it safe?
Control the train. I'll drive
Yeah.
this.
Are we going?
Control
Oh wait, I
train
have a
now, guys.
shotgun.
Dali, mayari.
Kill them.
Shovel, rabi ako na na banjo.
Di ko ka kuan ay, dili ko ka. I can sprint,
We can't sprint, kay dili ta
and
fire.
it's so dark.
Holy, paspasan ni.
Fuck you. Nice. Oh, ow, ow, ow!
Oh my god, abi na akong tapos.
Oh my god, help me, guys! I don't have ammo!
Yo, I finna die.
Where are you? Where are you?
Nakapang ko na left behind. Pero sige, go.
Oh my god, where are you?
Asalin mo. Oh, I'm actually gonna die. I feel like...
Yo, I'm such a badass. Look, I killed everyone.
Behind you! Go girl, go girl, go girl. Yeah, kill that hole.
Nice.
Feel like I'm gonna die.
You guys can sell the bar.
Napaisa, napaisa.
Yes, ikaw na like kung sack big.
Girl,
Give me
mamatay
a
na dito,
sack.
girl.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That hole killed me. Oh.
Ay, wait lang, i-revive ka. Hawali na. I-revive ka.
Okay, I'm back.
Say, please.
Wala pong shovel. Girl, behind you!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Wala kang shovel!
In the crate for the careful.
I feel like I'm gonna die in here.
Hold on. Ay, good mo pag-ego.
Oh.
Okay, nice. We should go, y'all. Take the batteries and go. Oh my god!
What?
Ow!
Asa makahaw?
Fuck you.
Girl, mamatay jud ka. I feel like mamatay ka.
Nope, it's already night. I mean, it's already ano.
I'm in the village.
What is that?
Itapok ng mga lawas big eh.
What the-
Asa man ang sound? You all heard that?
Yeah. I think it's over. Go, what are you doing to the body?
Ako nadalon sa train. Pero na-curious ko sa sulod. Hala, dagan ba kay zombie sa sulod? Ay, gago.
Ay, na.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so gonna die, yo.
Nadagan pa kay Chumbi.
What are you gonna do?
Subay-subay ta sa mga balay-balay. Girl, behind you, behind you.
Oh my god!
Okay, okay. Nadagan pa kay zombie, what the heck?
You guys find the code to the town. Oh, I'm so
I have
dying.
so many valuable things, yo.
I am gonna
Uy,
die.
where are you all?
Nami sa bang. But like, we need some sort of password.
Oh shit, I'm so gonna die.
Sama na.
What are you?
Help a badass girl. Okay.
Where's the code? The bounce.
Holy.
I have only one last ammo. We're gonna die.
You need ammo. I have none.
Oh my god.
Factor in.
I have many ammo.
Oh my god.
Your turn. I have ammo.
Ay, gago, mamusil din yung zombie.
I got you, girl. I got you.
Oh my god. Somebody help me.
Girl, ammo. Sorry, ammo.
I'm back.
Oh wait. Let me store them. I have so many valuables. I have a greedy bait, okay? Who has ammo? Give me that. What are you doing?
What's the code?
Napay sa ako
I'm
zombie.
gonna find the code.
Oh, chill in a way. We need some sort of a code. Asam tamang itag code?
What if
In
Nadiri?
the back.
Or maybe sa paintings or something.
No, it's just on the floor laying around.
Oh my god, there's more. There's more zombies.
Ding. Ding, 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 ding. Where are you guys?
Somewhere in the town. Still searching for the code.
Yeah, I'm searching for the food. Oh no. Oh no, we're gonna die.
Holy.
We're gonna get die, y'all. It's It's already night.
Nangit-ngit na kaayo.
It's already night. We're gonna die.
We finna die.
Oh, bitch.
Pupatang kitag code ba it?
Me too. Gusto din ako sa code ay.
Para maka-open na sa bank, which is dagan kay valuable sa sulod. You know, gold and silvers.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Your mother is scared.
Halon sa mani.
Dito.
Gago, namatay na po ko. I got killed with a wolf. It was big.
So many happenings.
Tay amo diri oh.
Walk my.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I died,
Okay,
yo.
you're both.
I died.
Girl, don't die, don't die. Oh,
No, I literally died.
Are you died?
How can I self revive? Oh shit.
It costs Robux.
Oh my god.
Yo, kung mamatay si Avery, it's gonna be over. I feel so bad though.
Oh god. Oh my. Oh,
Linggang guli linggang guli linggang.
Oh my,
Oh, everyone died. Well,
oh my god, yo. We suck so
It's on your
hard.
game or someone right?
is this Texas?
Revive everyone? We got 200 ka Robux.